أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Surah Al Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel, Online Islamic Classes English and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Suratul A'la Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. سبح اسم ربك الأعلى ربك الأعلى سبح اسم. On the ba we make bit strong wise sabbi and ha sound we read from the middle of the throat. Sabbihis. On the scene we make whistling sound and hums quality as well. Sabbihisma Rabbikal. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. On the ba we make bit strong wise Rabbikal. Kaf we read in light sound Rabbikal A'la. On the ain we make tawassut quality like the soft sound as we say ar. And lam we long here if we stop, so we say A'la. Otherwise, if you want to continue, so then this lam we connect with the next lam as it will be A'lalladhi. But right now we are stopping, so we are saying A'la. Now I say again Sabbih isma rabbikal a'la alladhi خلق فسوى الذي. So this lam we connect with the alif and we will put a fatha sign on the alif from ourselves for connecting as we say alladhi. Zal we read in soft sound and this is ya madda here. Alladhi we long. Khalaqa. Kha and qaf we read in heavy sound but lam we read in light sound. So be careful on this place as we say khalaqa. Fasawwa. On the waw we long here because due to standing fatha. Fasawwa. Now we say alladhi khalaqa fasawwa. You can see here is a stop sign which is a circle and there are two another signs are coming also on this circle which is the little swad and lam alif. So lam alif and little swad whenever come you have to continue there. So again you have option here if you would like to continue, your breath is long, so you can continue, otherwise you can stop. So with continue this we read fasawwa similar as we stop. Alladhi khalaqa fasawwa والذي قدر فهدى والذي. What we connect with the lam والذي. Zal we read in soft sound and again this is ya madda we long. والذي قدر. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Ra also we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Qaddara fahada. And dal we long due to standing fatha. Fahada. Walladhi qaddara fahada. Walladhi akhrajal mar'a. Walladhi. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long. This is ya madda here. After the ya madda there is hamza coming in the beginning of the next word. So that's why we make madde munfasil, which is madde jaiz. We long 3 to 4 seconds. Walladhi akhrajal kha, we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and also we make hums quality like the continuation of our breath. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Akhrajal, akhrajal. So you cannot make shiddat quality on the kha as we say akhrajal. No, you make hums like akhrajal, right? And similarly, do not make kalkala sound akhrajal, that is also wrong. Okay, so keep in mind these qualities which are most important. Akhrajal mar'a. On the ra we read again in heavy sound because ra is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. Mar'a, ain we long due to standing fatha on it. Mar'a. Now we say والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى فجعله. We do not long any letter here, only we long ha due to invert the on it. Faja'alahu ghusa'an. Ghain we read in heavy sound, sa we read in soft sound, ghusa, and also we long this sa because here is madde muttasil. After the alif madda, the next is hamza in the same word, so that's why we make madde muttasil, and also this mad we long 3 to 5 seconds. So we say ghusa'an. After the tanween which is on the hamza, the next is hamza, so that's why we make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. Ghusa'an on the ha we make hums quality, and also the ha sound comes from the middle of the throat. Ahwa. So we say again faja'alahu ghusa'an ahwa. Sanuqri'uka fala tansa. Sanuqri'uka. So this qaf we read in heavy sound, and also we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Sanuqri. Ra we read in light sound because there is kasra under the ra. Sanuqri'uka. Kaf we read again in light sound. Sanuqri'uka. Fala. Lam we long, there is alif madda. On the noon we make ikhfa, we hide the sound of noon into our nose, and then we long here on the sin because there is a mad sign and also a standing fatha. So when we stop, so we read according to standing fatha as we say fala tansa, and this ikhfa is a light ikhfa now because after the noon sakin, the next is sin, which is the light letter from ikhfa letters. And if you would like to continue on this place, so then there we apply madde jaiz, which is 3 to 4 seconds we long, because then after the madda letter which is standing fatha on the scene, the next is hamza, which is the in the beginning of the next word, which is illa. So then we make a madde munfasil here, so we long then according to this little mad here. So we say then fala tansa illa, but right now we are stopping, so only we say fala tansa, and now we say sanuqri'uka fala tansa illa ma sha Allah, illa ma sha Allah, innahu ya'lamul jahra wa ma yakhfa. Illa, lam we connect with the strong voice ill, la we long due to alif madda, illa. Mim also we long due to alif madda, ma. Shin we long due to alif madda, but also there is a mad sign, which is the big mad, which we call madde muttasil, like the wajib mad, ma. So we long 3 to 5 seconds. Masha Allah. Before the name of Allah there is fatha, so we read the name of Allah in heavy sound now. And when we stop on this place, so this ha sound comes, because we are stopping. There is a little sign which is the stop sign. So then when we stop on this ha, then hums quality comes in ha letter, as we say illa ma sha Allah. Innahu, on the noon there is a shadda sign, we make gunna, ha we long due to invert the on it. Innahu ya'lamul, on the ain we make tawassut quality, ya'lamul jahra. On the ha hums quality, continuation of our breath, jahra. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha, ya'lamul jahra. Wama, there is alif madda, we are longing, yakhfa. Again on the kha, this is hums quality, continuation of our breath, fa we long due to standing fatha on it, yakhfa. Wama yakhfa. So we say again, illa ma sha Allah, innahu ya'lamul jahra wa ma yakhfa. Wa nuyassiruka lil yusra, wa nuyassiruka. On the sin we make bit strong wise, and ra we read in heavy sound, kaf we read in light sound. Wa nuyassiruka lil yusra. Ra we read in heavy sound due to standing fatha, and in the sin we make hums and sift safir, lil yusra. Wa nuyassiruka lil yusra. Fadhakkir in nafa'ati dhikra, Fadhakkir, zal we read in soft sound, on the kaf we make bit strong voice, fadhakkir, and then this kaf we read in light sound, ra also we read in light sound, because ra is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is kasra before the ra, that's why we read ra in light sound, fadhakkir. Inna, on the noon there is shadda sign, as you also know this, we make gunna here, because after the noon sakin the next is noon, so this is idgham with gunna. In nafa'atiz, we do not long any letter, then ta azal we read in soft sound, and on the kaf we make shiddat and hums quality also, and then on the ra we read in heavy sound. So we say in nafa'atiz dhikra, fadhakkir in nafa'atiz dhikra. Sayadhakkaru man yakhsha, sayadhakkaru. Zal we read in soft sound, this kaf we read bit strong, sayadhakkaru. Ra we read also in heavy sound, man yakhsha. After the noon sakin the next is ya, we make idgham with gunna. On the kha we read heavy sound, and also we make hums quality, and shin we long due to standing fatha, man yakhsha. Sayadhakkaru man yakhsha wa yatajannabuhal ashqa, wa yatajannabuhal. On the noon we make gunna because there is a shadda sign, but we do not long any letter, then wa yatajannabuhal ashqa. On the sheen we make tafashi quality, and also this qaf we read in heavy sound. And if you like to stop here, then we long, as we say وَيَتَجَنَّبُهَا الْأَشْقَى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى يصلى النار الكبرى. الذي, zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. الذي yaslan, swad we read in heavy sound, la we connect with the noon, we make gunna here, and also we long due to alif madda. Ra we read again in heavy sound, yaslan naral kubra. On the ba we make qalqala, ra we read in heavy sound, kubra. الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا. Summa, sa we did in soft sound, on the meme we make gunna, then we long also 1 second. La, this is alif madda here, we long. Yamutu, again waw madda is there. Summa la yamutu fiha, this is ya madda here, this is alif madda here, so we long both on the both places. Fiha wala yahya, lam we long due to alif madda. Yahya, on the ha we make hams quality, the ha sound comes from the middle of the throat, we say wala yahya. ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا. قد أفلح ما تزكى قد أفلح. Qaf we read in heavy sound, on the dal we make qalqala, which is the weak. Qad aflaha, on the fa again we make hams quality. Af, like the continuation of our breath. Aflaha ma tazakka. On the noon we make ikhfa sound after the noon, this is ta, we make light ikhfa. Ma tazakka. Za we read bit strong. On the kaf again we make strong wise, and then we long. Ma, we hide the sound of noon here. Ma tazakka. قد أفلح ما تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى وذكر اسم. Zal we read in soft sound, kaf we read in light sound, and ra we read in heavy sound. وَذَكَرَسْ. On the scene we make hams quality and also sift safir. وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. On the ba we make bit strong. Ha we long due to standing kasra. رَبِّهِ فَصَلَّى. Swad we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and lam we long due to standing fatha. فَصَلَّى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا بل تؤثرون. On the hamza we make jerk sound, because the rule is whenever hamza comes with sukoon sign we make jerk sound there, so we say tu thiru. Sa we read in soft sound, ra we long due to waw madda. Tu thirunal hayat, ha we read from the middle of the throat, ya we long due to standing fatha. Hayat dunya. So you can see a dunya here is noon sakin, and after the noon sakin the next letter is ya. We should make idgham with gunna, but we are not making idgham with gunna. Why? because after the noon sakin or tanween, if ya comes in the same word, so we cannot make idgham with gunna there. So then without gunna we say here dunya, like the clear sound of noon. We do not hide, we do not make gunna, or we do not say idgham as well. If after the noon sakin or tanween, if yuminu letters come, yuminu means like there are 4 letters, ya, waw, mim, noon. So anyone from these 4 letters if come after the noon sakin or tanween in the same word, so then we do not make idgham and also gunna, right? So we say only dunya. So we say bal tu'thiruna al-hayata ad-dunya wal-akhiratu khayrun wa abqa, wal-akhiratu. Ha we long due to standing fatha on it. Kha we read in heavy sound. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Wal-akhiratu khayrul laka. Kha we read in heavy sound. Yeah, there is ya lean. We read soft sound. After the tanween, the next is waw. We make idgham with gunna. So you can see now tanween, after the tanween, waw is coming in the beginning of the next word, not in the same word. If in the same word waw come, then we do not make idgham, right? But right now it is in the different word. That's why we make idgham with gunna. Khayrun wa abqa. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, and this qaf we long due to standing fatha on it, and also we say heavy sound. Wa abqa, and we say wal akhiratu khayrun wa abqa. Inna hadha la fi as-suhufil ula. La fi as-suhufil ula. Inna we make it idgham with gunna, and also we long. Hadha, ha we long due to standing fatha on it. Zal we long due to alif madda, like 1 second. Hadha la fi as-suhufil. Fa we connect with the swad. Swad we read in heavy sound. Ha from the middle of the throat. La fi as-suhufil ula. This is waw madda, and this is standing fatha we long. Ula. Inna hadha la fi as-suhufil ula. Suhufi Ibrahim wa Musa. Suhufi, sad in heavy sound, ha from the middle of the throat. Suhufi Ibrahima. On the back we make qalqala, which is the weak. Ra we read in heavy sound, and also we long due to standing fatha. He, this is ya madda. Ibrahima wa Musa. This is waw madda, and this is standing fatha. Wa Musa. Suhufi Ibrahima wa Musa. Now inshallah I will read this complete lesson again, so listen carefully and repeat with me. So I am just going to start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sabbih isma rabbikal a'la alladhi khalaqa fasawwa والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى. So I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. If inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.